Okay, I'm on P53 for the math homework. If you haven't started the math homework, go ahead and pause this video. I want you to attempt the problems on your own and then come back and check your answers. If you're completely lost though, go ahead and continue watching and I'll go over a few more examples with you. Okay, so 12 through 16 says find all the numbers with the given absolute value. So on these problems, they're not asking us to find the absolute value. They're saying, hey, this is the absolute value. What numbers could have been in the absolute values symbol? So what number could have been inside those brackets or those bars? So, what number could be inside those brackets that would give you an absolute value of 12? Well, of course, 12 would work. And what else would work? The opposite of 12, negative 12. Both of these numbers have an absolute value of 12. They are both 12 units away from 0 on a number line. Okay, let's jump over to number 14. So again, this is the absolute value. They gave absolute value sign and the answer was 3/5. So the question is, what numbers could go inside here? Well, there's two numbers that can go inside there. 3/5 would give you the absolute value of 3/5 is 3/5, and the absolute value of negative 3/5 is 3/5. So you can see we're doing the number and its opposite is basically what we're doing. Now number 16 is an exception because there is only, you can't have a negative 0. So there's only one answer here, 0. Okay, all right. If you're having trouble with 13 and 15, you can raise your hand, but again, you're following the same pattern. You're doing it the same way we did 12 and 14. Okay, let's jump down. Find the number or numbers that makes the statement true. Okay, same idea. This is the same thing that we are doing up here. Except this time they gave us the bars. See, I wrote it in for you. Said, hey, what goes inside here? They gave us the bars, but it's the same idea. What could have been in here? 17 would give you an absolute value of 17, and negative 17 would give you an absolute value of 17. So I'll let you go ahead and finish 18, 19, 20 on your own. And let's jump down to the word problems. Which two numbers are 7.5 units away from 0 on a number line? Well, this is just asking this exact same question, but in word form. What two numbers? This is one number. This is two numbers. And we're doing the same thing. But the number that we're checking now is 7.5. So 7.5 is 7.5 units away from 0 on the number line. And if you want, we can say positive 7.5. And negative 7.5 would also be 7.5 units away. This one would just be to the left of 0. And this number, positive 7.25, would be to the right of 0. All right. Number 22, Emilio is playing a game. He just answered a question incorrectly. So his score will change by negative 10 points. Find the absolute value of negative 10. Well, that's easy. We're just doing this. We're finding the absolute value of negative 10. So how many units away from 0 is 10? And I'll let you go ahead and answer that on your own. Of course, if you have questions, you can always raise your hand. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.